Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 128,000 miles. Original black, on black from factory from the city of Orange County, California. This vehicle was a former gang unit vehicle. Once again, this was a gang unit vehicle, not a patrol. With 128,000 miles, all-wheel drive, 3.7 liter engine. Vehicle does have a window tint from the department, folks. That appears to be a light shade. You can see right through the vehicle without any issues whatsoever. Once again, light shade tint from the department. Folks, let me tell you, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape and ready to go anywhere across the states. The paint is original, folks, so it is going to have some scratches, and it does have about 5 door dings as suspected. It does have one hole on the roof of the vehicle where that actual antenna is. One hole on the roof with that black antenna. That is the actual antenna. So if you need to drive the vehicle through an express car wash, don't worry, that antenna is going to stay there. It's going to stay put. It's not going to fly away. Folks, I do have some paint chipping on the rear tailgate here. Let me just come back over here before I forget. There were some paint chippers here, scratches. You guys can kind of see them right there. I did put a black touch-up paint on it. It looks a lot better than what it was when you can all see all the little chips and the white scratches. Once again, this area right here, it does have a touch-up paint. You can even see it. I can see my belly, but I can see the little touch-up. Well, it does have touch-up paints right here, folks. There you go. Those little black dots are actually the touch-up paint. Vehicle is equipped with a backup camera, backup parking sensors. They do work. All right, let's continue. This unit is a flex fuel unit, E85 okay. So for us here in California, E85, it's at $3.49 a gallon. Trust me, you're gonna save a lot at the pump on this bad boy. Even though the paint does have scratches and door dings, folks, she looks great. The paint looks great, shiny, and black on black will always be very intimidating coming down the road, as you guys already know. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a fresh, brand new set of 245 55 18s Goodyear Eagles RSAs. I'm trying to keep my cars uniform to what they came with. So a fresh new set of tires on this one. They're not takeoff. They are completely new. This is like my 4th set that I got to buy, and I'm very happy, even though it's costing me $1,000 per set to get it all done. Vehicle does have a good use set of LED spotlights, both in assembly. When I first got the car in, there was nothing in place. So lucky for me, I contacted my friend Shannon over in Chicago over there, and he sent me, I bought 2 sets from him so that I can keep a second one in stock. So once again, Shannon, thank you very much for providing me with this nice looking set of LED spotlight assemblies here for this particular unit. Front lights are nice and clear. Vehicle also does have a good use go rhino push bar. When the vehicle came in, there was nothing in place. Lucky for me, they left the brackets in there. So I contacted one of my guys, one of my suppliers, and he happened to have one on inventory, so I bought it from him. Once again, these parts for these vehicles, they're not cheap, so I'm having to pay the price to uniform the vehicles to how I want them to look, folks. I'm not cutting any corners, and I'm still giving you great cars, great quality of vehicles to go with it. All right, let's continue. Let's go inside of the vehicle here. All right, folks, the rear, I do have a vinyl type leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. I went ahead and had them all put together. Electric seats in the front. One little tiny tear right here. Nothing big or major to worry about. The seat is nice and comfortable. Vehicle does have a aftermarket center console there. Perfect color combo. The passenger side seat appears to be in new shape. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Honk does work. Everything does work on this vehicle, folks, let me tell you. Let's get inside here. One key came with the car. Let's go ahead and fire her up. The clock is ticking, so I'm gonna have to step it up here with us, guys. So LED work, honk works, map lights do work. Red ticket light, white ticket light do work. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. This vehicle is equipped with a dual AC, so you have AC for the front and AC for the rear here, folks. You guys can see it clear. Let me clean this up so here. I apologize. So it does work. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So it does work. You guys can see it right there. It lights up. The blower works in the back. So once again, dual AC on this bad boy right here. USB, aux, cigarette lighters do work. So we are good to go in that department here, folks. Sunglass holder right here. Let's go in the back. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, guys. If I do forget something, I'll be sure to note it down in my eBay ad. Alright, this is the back. Let me clean this up here. Wow, 7 minutes already. Alright, this is the back. Vehicle does have a full spare tire kit in the trunk. Matching spare tire kit that's new. The wheel and tire are new. That's what came with the vehicle. That's what the buyer is going to take. Buyer takes all. Buyer takes all. Sorry, I almost fell there. I'm trying to hurry up, guys, so I can get it all done here. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you the vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around from the department. The front brakes are going to be drill slotted. Alright, let me clean this up here for you guys. Front brakes are going to be drill slotted. You guys can see they are new, so I got lucky on this one. Vehicle was serviced before going to the auction. I'm trying to see if I'm not forgetting anything. These lights here, just in case if you're asking yourself if they do work, they do not. They're just there for looks. Okay. One hand here. Let me see if I can get it up. Okay, give me a second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, folks, here's the engine. As you guys can see, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life from what she was. All done. Services have been done. Engine very healthy, very smooth, very quiet. All right, let's go ahead and get started here, starting right to left. Brand new air filter, brand new heavy duty AC Delco battery. Throttle body was service cleaned out, and it also looks like it was replaced. When we were cleaning it out, the throttle body wasn't super dirty. It had just a little bit of a carbon buildup in it. Nothing big or major to worry about. And I hope, okay. Vehicle does have, sorry, I gotta look back for my neighbors, make sure they're not coming out. Vehicle does have 6 brand new Motorcraft platinum spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Fluid and filter. Transmission was also serviced. The drain and fill with Merc on LV. All fluids have been topped off. Make sure they're full. Vehicle does have a what it appears to be a brand new motor mount drive belt tensioner. Also appears to be in new condition. So does the belt. So does the hose, top radiator hose over here. Air conditioner is nice and cold, folks. Everything does work on this unit. Am I forgetting anything else here? Oh, vehicle does have a brand new motorcraft. This purge valve, cylinder purge valve here on the top. I go ahead and replace that as well. It's a very common failure, folks. It's about $40. If you can keep them handy, it's always good to replace those as you are doing your PMIs on your vehicles that are coming in. I highly recommend that, folks. Highly recommend it. Alright, give me a second here. Let me close these up here real quick again. Alright. Once again, folks, if I'm forgetting something, I will make sure I note it down on my eBay ad. I do apologize. Alright, folks, one last final look here at this beautiful 2017 Ford Explorer. Folks, if you have any questions or comments, or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to remain online, but if you see something, please say something. Alright. Alright, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed week out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.